record. Damn it. Aw.
This is so amazing!
What's going on, guys? I am here finally at our resort. I'm waiting for Kelsey. She will be here later tonight, midnight. I had to fly into Florida a few days earlier because we are here for a wedding, and I am now here in our hotel in Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are at the Kidani Village, and we're about in the middle. Now, I just did a little video tour. I hope you enjoyed that, and really, this is what we get to have for the next 4 nights, I believe. For the most part, the video showed you what is in this. Oh, look at that. I didn't notice that I didn't record it, but look at that. It's an ostrich egg. Look at that. What if that thing hatches while we're here? We'll see. Anyway, the restroom. I like that. The tub. Pretty cool. This bathroom is bigger than our apartment in New York. And look at this. This is awesome. Look at that. Wow. That's so cool. Well, yeah. This is my camera. Break. Yeah. Tired day today, tiring day, long day, but what else can I show you? This little art. Hopefully the lighting is okay with this camera. I'm not 100% sure if it's catching everything, so we will see. But for now, this is our hotel for the next 4 days, and I just wanted to show you guys I don't know if anyone's ever done like a little tour of the DVC in Kidani Village, but this is DVC, and it's a great place. We have our own stove, our little kitchen here that we can use if we want to cook something, and we will. I went shopping prior to coming here for breakfast stuff, so we will have breakfast here and a few little things. We got, you know, have to have our wine to celebrate a little vacation because we like to celebrate with wine, and there's a little bit of snacks, foods. I bought some bananas, some protein bars for the parks when we get hungry. This coffee machine, I'm very happy about that, and we got, you know, a few other stuff in the fridge, water, you know, things like that. But for the most part, this is a huge place, and just for the two of us, it feels like a waste, you know. This is perfect for family, and a whole week with family here, it's awesome. Now I love it. My family are DVC, that's why we are here, and we would celebrate with them, but we are planning on another trip, I believe, and I'll let you guys know more about that once it's confirmed. Of course, it will be Disney, and so yes, that is it. Maybe show you one during the day. It's nighttime now, so when Kelsey gets in tonight, we'll do another tour. Maybe we'll put it all in one video.
All the magic that awaits on your Disney vacation. First, show on the road.
Soon, you'll be escorted outside to your...
Very warm. Hello everyone. So I've just got on the Magical Express. I'm on my way to Animal Kingdom lunch to meet John. I'm so excited. The flight was really good. It was really smooth. It was really short too, but of course when you're excited it feels really long. So I was ready to get here, and it's so hot, so warm and lovely. I'm so excited to be here. See you soon. Bye. Here at Kidani Village. So excited! I'm here at my room. Put the Mickey to the Mickey. Hello!
I was supposed to record, damn it! Where's your
Look
bag?
at this place!
Where's your bag? Is that it?
Oh my gosh! Yeah, this is all I have.
Alright, take it off.
Thank you.
Take that off, and then have a tour.
This is insane. Look at this bathroom. Ah. Oh my gosh, kitchen. And a table and a living room. It's the biggest TV I've ever seen. And a bedroom. Oh my gosh. It's huge. What's in here? Another bathroom? No, dressing room. And a bath. Oh my gosh. And the shower and the... Oh my gosh, look at the Lion King scene on the wall. It's so cute. Oh, you did. You beat me to it. This is so amazing. I love it. Yay!
Yay!
Right, I need sleep. I look horrendous. So I'll say goodnight. See you tomorrow.
Yay.
Bye.